Hello everyone, what is up? It is time for World 3 of Mushroom Rick's Land, which is called Blizzard Ice for some reason. Anyway, I do enjoy this world. It's honestly not bad at all. In fact, I feel like this world is a little bit easier than World 2. Let me turn the volume up. Alright, there we go. I really do feel like this world's a little bit easier than World 2. Sandy Desert, whatever. Oh geez, I'm supposed to spin off of that, I think. Oh my gosh. Come on, there we go. Like, this isn't difficult. Oh, this is that level with the fire. Alright, I know what level this is now. This level isn't horribly challenging. It is challenging, but like, I mean, come on, it's World 3. It can be a little challenging, alright? This is challenging in a different way than Sigworld, in a way that I actually enjoy in a fair way. That's why I'm not doing Sigworld right now. I'm tired of it. I can't with it, pretty much, is the problem right now. Trust me, I tried, but it didn't work out. Alright. So yeah, Sigworld will be off limits. I will be playing other hacks until I improve to the extent that I can play the rest of Sigworld. Am I supposed to be taking this with me or not? Come on, shoot your little ice thing. Ugh, I didn't do that properly, but whatever. Don't care. Okay, it's already uniced. If that's what you want to call whatever melting these ice cubes, just un-icing them, I guess. Why not? Un-iceation. I don't know, that kind of sounds dumb. Oh no, not this. Alright. Trust me guys, this isn't very difficult, but it really was a big deal for me back when I first played this world. It's really not that difficult. Oops. Well, when you mess up, it's a little difficult, but other than that, it really is. Oh, come on. Gotta get in there now. Okay, there we go. Got it. What? Aww. Well, that's disappointing. Okay, I have made it into the little icy part. As you can see, I have tried that a couple times and it didn't work, but this time it worked, so yay. I can see that there's rocks up there. They aren't gonna trick me. Oh wait, I think I'm supposed to try to not bring these rocks down, but whatever, I did. Doesn't matter. It's just a tiny little projectile I can just dodge. It's not really a big deal. Alright, anyway. Want to spin jump on this, but that's a bad idea. Okay, alright, fair enough. There we go. Alright, and there's level 1 completed. Honestly, when I die again, I'm gonna check my storage, because I think I'm running out, and I don't want this video to corrupt again. Like the Mario 3-second run World 5 video. Alright, Blizzard Ice 2. I don't actually remember what this level was about, so... Oh, doesn't this one have the penguins in it? I think this one might be the one with penguins. Whoops, that was my bad. That was also my bad. I'm just going to go up here and see what's in here. Oh, what's this? Oh jeez, I'm not gonna be able to get that. What is this? Have I ever? What just happened? Alright, let's try that again. I was not gonna check my storage when I died again. Whatever, I'm pretty sure last time I checked I had 10 gigs left. And that was like yesterday. So, I mean, I should be good. Because 10 gigs is like an hour. So. I don't understand what I'm supposed to do there, but alright. I want to see what's in here because I'm confused. Like, I really don't know if I've ever gone over to this weird, like, cave thing before. Who knows? I mean, I think it's just that coin. Yeah, it is. Okay. Wow. Don't go up there again. What am I doing? No. I already saw what was up there. It's just a disappointing Yoshi coin. I'm probably not and I'm likely not even going to get the rest, so... I mean, I might get the rest, but... It's not really likely, because... It's not that I don't, like, believe in myself or whatever, it's that I literally just don't check that much for them. Am I supposed to use this Goomba? Because I want to see what's over here. Or what's in these boxes, I should say. So what's this? Coins. This is probably a vine. Yeah. Alright, so this might be... Ooh, a mushroom or two, perhaps? Yes. Tis a mushroom. Oh, what's that red pipe for? It's over... Isn't this just... Okay, I'm not going over there. Because I think that's just going back. It's probably a Yoshi coin, but... I don't care. Anyway. No, I don't understand. How I'm supposed to, like... I don't really understand how I'm supposed to kind of, like... Slippy slide under there with a power-up. I mean, I just don't really understand. Maybe I should, but I don't. I mean, I understand a lot of things that I shouldn't, and I don't understand a lot of things that I should, so I mean... I see how this one's going down. Yeah. Whoa. Alright, anyway, So don't get me wrong, I actually do enjoy this world. I think it's pretty fun. And it's not like, oops, that was my fault. Wait, what's this? Oh, it just sent you back. Oh, what was that for? I lost everything. Oh my god. Alright, I guess I'll go check my storage now. Okay, I have 13 gigabytes of storage left, so... Yeah. I have plenty to finish this video off with. Which is good, because I want to finish this video, not have it be all corrupted and weird. Yeah. So, anyway. What is happening? I'm just gonna go up here, because I don't really know where else I'm supposed to go. Haha, you can't get me. You're at, like, that weird sprite gate thing. Oh wait, I thought I had a fire flower for a sec. Whoopsies. There's one in there. But I need a fire flower to get the fire flower. That's too bad. Alright. Oh, it's this weird cave again. Oh, maybe this is 3-3. I kind of forgot. It probably is. Like 3-3's theme. Because isn't level 3 like been a cave in level 1? But no, I mean World 1, but not World 2. World 2 wasn't a cave. Some weird athletic level. So I don't know. Anyway, it is a cave. And it is this weird, like, glowy crystal cave. I remember this level. I know what this is. I know what this level is. I remember this one. I am, kind of scared, but not really, because I see that I've improved a lot, so shouldn't really be too big of a deal. What's up here? Oh, that's how you do that? That's really easy, okay. Sure, fair enough. 'Tis actually very easy, so... Oh wow, yeah, I just was overcomplicating it, I guess. Get the chuck. Get the chuck, stop hitting rocks. The rocks have done nothing, yet. What even is over here? Is this just the level? Oh no! Well, that was kind of disappointing, but not really, because that wasn't that much progress. Okay, I am now going to experiment and see what's over here instead, because that other way seems Oh. This is the area with the falling icicles. I'm pretty sure this is the area I remember right here with the falling, like, icicle things. So this must have been the one the path I took. Well, I guess I'll just take this path, because it seems easier. It doesn't mean it is easier, but it sure seems like it. Maybe it isn't. Alright, wow. That was probably the easiest snake I've ever done in this, entire game so far. So, sure, I'll take it. Dang it, I was trying to not do that, but whatever. Alright, anyway. Yeah, I do remember struggling in this section for some reason. I don't know how I struggled. This is not difficult. I mean, I'm gonna say that, and it's gonna turn difficult, but, I mean, dang, that really was not that bad. I mean, I've already seen from these prior levels, I have definitely improved from how I was, performing before. Oh, jeez, not the auto-scroll part. Oh my god. I did not notice that. Maybe this is the part I struggled on. It's auto-scroll, and I don't like auto-scroll parts, so maybe, possibly, I don't know. Why this game was so insanely difficult back in the day. I mean, I guess I just didn't really have that much experience with Mario World yet. Most of my experience has come from the time I've been making videos to now. When I started to now is like probably a good 75% of me playing Mario World and Mario World related hacks. Probably a good 75% of it. The first time I actually played Mario World was like 2018, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, 2018, I mean, that's only like 5.5 years ago. So, I mean, dang it. Cause yeah, I would just watch my parents play it until I was like 8, and I was like, huh, I should just try playing it. And I couldn't get past Yoshi's Island. In Mario World, I mean, I haven't beaten Yoshi's Island, the actual, like, Yoshi's Island game either, but, you know, that was the point of that entire thing that I just said. It was not the point at all. Oh my god, okay, I don't even know what happened there, because I wasn't even under the thing, it's probably just the hitbox being weird, but, oh jeez, this is the exit door, don't kill me, Chuck, oh my Chuck, my, okay, anyway, I'm starting to notice a pattern that I'm not sure if I noticed before. Every level 4 is nighttime, like, it's always nighttime in level 4. I mean, I don't even think I noticed that, but it's true. I think this is the level I am not a fan of. I'm pretty sure this is just a more difficult version of level 1, to be honest. I am pretty dang sure that this is just a difficult version of it. Whatever. Oh, jeez. Okay, well, that was just me being an idiot, not the level being difficult. Right, Mario's start. Again, Mario has already started this level. Okay, I might want to just kill that guy real quick. There we go. There we go. There we go! Okay, anyway, what? Come on! Oh, whatever, that's just a Yoshi coin, I already see it in the corner. And I don't care that much. I don't care. Oh my goodness gracious. Boy, why? I mean, I think Enan's a boy. Actually, I can't just assume people's genders, so I probably should just say individual or something. But, yes, anyways, I guess it is kind of odd that, like, why is the default always just, like, he, when you don't know a gender? Like, why is it just he? Like, why isn't it, like, something else? I don't know. I've never really understood that. It's just how how English works, I guess. I don't know. It might be a thing for other language speakers, too, but, like, I mean, still, like, why is that just a default? It doesn't really make sense. Well, I lost everything again. Alright, wonderful. I lost everything, and I am probably doomed now. Yeah. But maybe I'm not doomed. I thought that would work. Oh man, how am I gonna trick this shell? Oh geez, this shell really knows me. Oh, hey, look at that, there's another little thing. The Koopa. Finally! Yes, I figured it out. Okay, anyway, don't really know why I'm celebrating so much. That isn't very difficult to figure out. Oh well, I like to celebrate over small things. What's wrong with that? Whoa. What's wrong with that, folks? What is wrong with celebrating the little things? Okay. What's wrong with that? Anyway, enough with my weird scenarios that are just kind of, weird. So, geez. What is this whole thing here? I just realized I only have like 200 seconds left. I thought I had more time. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm getting close to the end though. I kind of remember this being like near the end. Okay. Whoa. Oh geez. Please get that. Alright, cool. This level's very difficult, guys. This level's so difficult, I can't beat it. How was this level so difficult I couldn't beat it? Like, in what way? Oh, jeez. Okay. Like, in what way was this level too difficult? I'm pretty sure I just did that entire thing first try. What was so difficult about that? It was easy. Oh, I don't even know anymore. Alright, so the castle now. Oh, great, more of these very, very difficult ice wraps. Yeah, because I think I kept doing that, and I think I ran out of time. Okay, why is the ice wrap so much harder right there? Anyway. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I kept running out of time because I couldn't do that stupid, like, ice wrap thing properly. Oh, jeez. I mean, I saw that ahead of time, so... Okay. Yeah, alright. Oh, okay. Very difficult. This is why I like this world. It's easier than World 2. I don't know why World 2 is so difficult compared to... Like, I'd say World 2 is probably about as difficult as World 4 is. Which is that nice little city that you might have saw. Not in this video, but in previous videos, if you, like, watched any of Mushroomworks Land videos. You probably saw me look around the map or something. I don't know if I recorded that part or not. But yeah, there's a little city off to the side. I'll show you because, obviously, I'll show you because, I mean, when I beat this level, it's going to lead there. It's like a little city. It has a couple cool mechanics. I honestly enjoy that world as well. I don't know. World 2 is just, I don't like World 2 at all. It just seems too hard for being World 2. It has, like, level 3 and level 4 and level 5, they're all themed around stuff I just don't like. They're all just mechanics that I just dislike, because I can't say hate anymore. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna stop, making fun of YouTube's word regulations. I'm just going to, finish this level in all seriousness. I don't like being serious, though. Oh, dang it, okay, thought that would work. Oh, wait, yep, okay, fair enough. Why did I not just do that in the first place? I don't... Yeah, I have to be, like, timed quick here. Oh, that, okay, wow. I remember using so many save states on this level. Oh, dang, wait. That's only halfway through? I kind of am running out of time, aren't I? It's just I did not understand these ice wraparound things. Was the main issue for me, I guess. But now I understand them, and it's like literally 3 levels themed. Like, literally 3 levels are themed off these, like, ice wraps. So, I mean... Oh, no, I can't do that, okay. Dang, I wasn't very smart back in 2022. I mean, I already know that, but, like... Dang, I really wasn't. Couldn't even figure out this little game. It's not even... Or, I should say this world specifically. Which, that's honestly just sad to me. Because, I mean, like, in my opinion, the hardest level in the world was level 4, and I beat that first try. I wanna get onto this block. Yeah, there we go. That worked. Oh, holy moly. Why is there so much fire? Oh, this was Ice World. Not fire. Goodness me. I guess Ice World requires fire. Because, like, fire flower. Like, are you kidding? No, that was so dumb. I am beyond the jump. And the jump is capitalized, by the way. I don't know. Anyway, did I really just do that? Whoops. Oh no, I only have 1 life left. I just realized that. Well, I am somewhat doomed right now. Here once more. Now I am going to beat the world. And stuff. Yeah, beat the world. Yeah. Dang it. Oh no. Oh shoot. This is really bad. Yay. I'm doomed. Oh my god, I can't do this jump without some assistance. Oh jeez, okay. Oh, okay. Did it! Without assistance. Yes. Again, really? No! That was the freaking last jump! What the haywire, bruh? I did it. I made the jump. Alright. And look at that. It was the last jump, of course. Oh well. Whatever. And I did fail on it again, by the way. So I had 4 lives, but I collected so many little coins that kind of just got erased. Pretty cool. Anyway, here's the city I am talking about. I don't know what it's called. It's called the Industrial City. And it's this little island right here. It looks like a pretty long island, but it's just 5 levels like all the rest. Well, yeah, that's gonna be all for now. So, bye.